So we just received our first shipment from MCRL for our Not Your Average Hustler 90-day guide. And as you can see, it's packed pretty securely and tightly, but I'm going to open one of these boxes so you can see that the guide and its gift box are individually shrink wrapped for added protection. Now I'm going to open one of our planners to show you the quality of not only the gift box, which is a matte black finish, but also the planner itself, which we opted for a soft touch hardcover, which is really velvety smooth, and I absolutely love holding this book. We also got full color for the planner as well as a pocket in the back, and I absolutely love the finished product. Everything looks better than expected. It has a great feel. I'm really happy.